Ooh. Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And today's video is going to be a really quick one because we're going to be changing coils on the Mach. So far I measured these, and one of them on this side and one of them this side is out of the spec in resistance, so I'll show you how to measure that as well. Let me just take these bad boys out and replace them with these. Even though I did get a new boots, I put a new boots on, but I'll save those for later. These coils do come with everything, so it's a coil and plug. Got the new boots, MSD. These were like around $300 shipped, so hopefully the car won't give me hesitations when I'm at high RPM, and I think it's because on those two coils that are out of spec. And let's get these out, let's put the new ones in and see how she acts. To get the coils from the driver's side, it's like the easiest thing in the world. So you get two 10mm screws and you pop the cover up. And good thing to have the shakers because you can put your tools in there or the nuts. And you literally unplug the connector and the coil is out. So on the other side, what we have to do is we'll need to remove the intake, but that should be two screws as well and they'll come out. Alright, so to measure resistance on the coils, what you want to do is just make sure you find which one is positive, which one is negative, and you put your multimeter to ohm resistance, and then what you do is you touch the positive and negative and you get an ohm resistance. Like this one is 1.5, this one's 1.5, 1.5, 1.6, 1.5, 1.6, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. So I should have like let the car warm up. Like this one is 1.8 right now, 1.9. I should have let the car warm up because two of them, when they were hot, they were showing like 4,000s of ohm resistance. So I know two of them are like out of spec. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the new ones in. Actually, let's measure one of the new ones, see how much it shows. So let's see, 1.4, 1.3, 1.3, 1.4. So definitely better as being new coils. So let's just install these bad boys in and we're gonna take it for a test drive, and that's what's gonna tell us the difference. Here are the coils installed and they look really good. Something about the red color kind of sticks out. Only if you can get a kind of clear cover just so you can see that, that'd be kind of cool. That is pretty dope. So now let's just put everything back together and crank it up. All right, first crank. Go for a test drive. Coils work like a charm. I also gave her a nice wash. She's looking clean now. Like I always said, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.